Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The Nokia Lumia 405G is a sophisticated smartphone that bridges the gap between Nokia's classic design heritage and modern technological demands. Built with durable materials and an ergonomic curved-edge finish, the device offers a premium feel and a solid grip. Key specifications and features. Display. It features a vibrant 6.6-inch AMOLED screen with full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring fluid motion and exceptional visual clarity even under direct sunlight. Performance. Powered by the latest generation Snapdragon processor and up to 8 GB of RAM, the device is engineered for high-level multitasking, demanding productivity apps, and an optimized gaming experience, supported by an advanced cooling system. Photography. The camera suite is headlined by a 64MP main sensor, complemented by ultra-wide and macro lenses. It supports 4K recording and advanced software modes, night, portrait, while a 16MP front camera handles high-quality video calls and selfies. Battery and charging. Equipped with a high-capacity 5000 mAh battery, it guarantees over a full day of intensive use. It also supports 33W fast charging for quick power recovery. Connectivity and security. The handset includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC for mobile payments. Security is managed via a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and facial recognition. Multimedia. The device excels in entertainment, featuring high-res audio stereo speakers that provide an immersive soundstage to complement its high-end display. The Nokia Lumia 405G stands out as a versatile and powerful contender in the mid to high-range market, offering a clean Android interface with consistent updates, making it an ideal choice for both gamers and professional users seeking reliability and style. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.